Hello data family, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn that how we can publish our dashboards on NovyPro. So first you have to search novypro.com, then click on the first link you see. After that you will see this interface of NovyPro where we can publish our dashboards of Excel, Tableau and Power BI. So first you have to sign in here, as I have already signed in. So after signing in you will see this profile icon here. So click on that and then click on Power BI. So here you will see your mail ID which you used while logging in. So first we have to verify our mail ID. So send verification code. As it is sent, so just copy paste your verification code and hit enter. So it's verified now. Again click on the profile icon, go to Power BI. And it's creating our Power BI account now. It can take some time to create. It has created our account. Again click on the profile icon, click on Power BI, and here you can see your NovyPro mail ID. So using this mail ID you have to create your Power BI service account. So then you have to sign into our Power BI service. So you have to search Power BI sign in and then create your account using the NovyPro mail ID. Then enter your password. Then it will ask you to stay signed in. Click on no. So this is the Power BI service interface where you can see your workspaces, my workspace, and here on the profile icon you can see your NovyPro mail ID also. So we will just copy this mail ID as we will need it later. Then open your Power BI desktop and sign into your desktop using your NovyPro mail ID here. Click on continue. Again you will have to sign in with the same mail ID of NovyPro. Click on next. Enter your password. Then click on no, sign into this app only. And here we are signed into our Power BI desktop now. So now I'll open my dashboard which I have created before. So yeah, my dashboard is opening now. It's taking time. So yeah, this is the dashboard which I have created. So what you have to do now is go to publish here, click on that, and then select my workspace, select so yeah, as I have already one data setting Power with workshop, I'm replacing this with that. Now it's publishing our dashboard into Power BI service. Then got it. Then you can go to the Power BI, click on my workspace, and here you can see your dashboard. Click on the report. So yeah, here our dashboard is loaded now. So now we have to go to our Novi Pro and then click on the plus icon here, go to dashboard and then click on Power BI. So here it is asking for the embedded link. So again go to your Power BI service, click on file, embed report and publish to public. Then copy the first link and paste it here. And this will open our dashboard. And write the title of your dashboard. As I have created the e-commerce sales dashboard, so I'll write that. You can write your title according to yourself. Then add a cover photo of your dashboard. You can just take a snapshot of your dashboard and can upload it here. I have already taken, so I'm uploading it here. Yeah, this is the snapshot of my dashboard. Then you can write an overview of your dashboard, like how you have created, what you have done, and all that. I'm simply writing here. Then you can create a video of your dashboard also, or create a YouTube video and then copy paste the videos URL here, and then it is asking for other software which we have used in this project. So I have used Excel, so I'm clicking that, and you can also select SQL, Snowflake and Figma and all if you have used in your dashboard. So now just click on publish. And to check your dashboard, go to your profile icon and my portfolio, then my reports, and yeah, here you can see your dashboard. It is published now on NovyPro. So for editing your profile, you can go to profile icon, my settings, and edit about me. So here you can change your URL and your username and picture, and you can change your banner also. Then here you can change your taglines, then your contact info. You can add your LinkedIn link, YouTube, GitHub, Twitter, Facebook, and many more. Then you can add your resume, also about me, work experience, technical skills, and certificates. So to add Novi Pro link to your resume, just click on the profile icon, my portfolio, then share portfolio, and here is the link. So just copy this link and you can paste it in your resume. So yeah, that's how we can publish our dashboards on Novi Pro. That's all for today, and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.